When matter dissolved, the discovery that reality is energy, a solid illusion. Everything around us feels solid. The ground beneath our feet, the walls we touch, our own bodies. Yet modern science revealed a disturbing truth. What appears solid is mostly empty space. And beneath that, something even stranger. Reality at its deepest level is energy. This idea did not simply change physics. It reshaped how humanity understands existence itself. Part 1: A world made of things. For most of history, reality was understood through objects. Matter was substance. Energy was action. Objects existed. Energy merely moved them. This distinction felt obvious. Stones did not resemble motion. Matter felt permanent. Philosophy and early science treated matter as the foundation of reality. Energy was secondary. That assumption would not survive. Part 2: The rise of field thinking. In the 19th century, physics encountered phenomena that challenged material intuition. Electricity and magnetism behaved unlike solid matter. They spread through space. They interacted without contact. Fields replaced particles as explanatory tools. Reality began to look less like a collection of objects, and more like an interconnected system of influences. Matter no longer seemed self-contained. Part 3: Mass and energy converge. The most radical step came in the early 20th century. Through theoretical insight, Albert Einstein revealed that mass and energy are not separate. They are interchangeable. Mass is a concentrated form of energy. Matter is energy in a stable configuration. This was not metaphor. It was measurable. Reality's building blocks shifted from substance to process. Part 4: The atom is not solid. As atomic physics advanced, solidity collapsed further. Atoms were found to be mostly empty space. Electrons did not orbit like planets. They existed as probability distributions. Particles behaved like waves. Waves behaved like particles. Matter lost its classical identity. What remained was activity, energy patterns constrained by laws. Part 5: Energy as fundamental. In modern physics, particles are understood as excitations of fields. They are not tiny objects moving through space. They are localized energy events. The universe appears less like a machine made of parts, and more like a dynamic field in constant motion. Energy is not something reality has. It is what reality does. Part 6: Philosophical consequences. This discovery reshaped philosophy as well. If matter is energy, then permanence is illusion. Stability becomes pattern, not substance. Existence is not static, it is sustained. Reality persists through balance, not rigidity. Being becomes process. Part 7: Life and energy. Biology reflects the same principle. Life is not defined by material components alone. It is defined by energy flow, metabolism, exchange, transformation. Living systems are organized energy systems resisting equilibrium. Life exists because energy moves. Part 8: What we know. Modern science confirms matter is energy. Structure arises from dynamic balance. Solidity is emergent. This view unifies physics across scales. From particles to stars, energy governs behavior. Part 9: What remains unknown. Despite progress, deep questions remain. Why does energy take stable forms? Why do specific patterns persist? Why does reality allow structure at all? Physics describes how energy behaves. It does not yet explain why existence is possible. Seeing the world differently, the idea that reality is made of energy dissolved old certainties. Matter lost its privilege. Stability lost its permanence. In its place emerged a universe defined by motion, balance, and transformation. If this documentary changed how you see the world around you, consider liking the video and subscribing to Interesting MindHub for future explorations. Because understanding reality is not about what things are made of, but how they persist.